right, guys, I think this is going to be its own video, maybe on an off day that I don't normally post, just showing the two trucks together before we start tearing into them. Huge difference. Look at this. This is crazy, bro. The red truck is so much bigger than Larry. Larry looks tiny right now. Looking freaking good, though. But the last couple 20 minutes of daylight, we got to get them together, right? First time them seeing each other, doing a little stare down, seeing all the differences. Man, this front end is going to look so good on Larry. I'm stoked. Even with the flaws that the truck, the front end has that we're going to swap over, it's going to look freaking good. We are going to have to get that grill painted because the grills are different. You'll see Larry's is a flat bottom. That one dips down. Obviously, there's a big gap there because the body lift on this truck, but won't be on Larry. So, yeah, we'll see. We're going to have to, maybe we'll paint it just black for the time being. Maybe we'll go get it painted green. I don't really know. I really want to get Larry repainted, so we might just do black for the time being, see how that looks. If it looks terrible, then change it. But yeah, that new bumper is going to look freaking sweet. And we can always get new plastic. Sorry if the wind's wrecking y'all. Now, just for comparison's sake, this is over here the Rough Country 3.5-inch lift spindles. And then this is the 7.5-inch FabTech with some size body lift. I think a 2 to 4 inch body lift. Obviously, like I said, big difference. You can just see, not even necessarily in the trucks, but the freaking wheel gaps. Both are 35s. I think they're exact same 350. They are the exact same size tires. That's crazy. Obviously, Larry's are new. Those over there on the Dick C-Pecs are a little bit wider wheels. But same size tires, crosswind MTs. That's kind of crazy. I just noticed that. But you see the huge gap right here, ton more, which we're not putting a body lift on Larry because I'm not a body lift fan, but it should be big because this has the standard spring. So we're going to do the 7.5-inch FabTech that has on it, plus either lift coils, coil spacer. Either way, it's probably going to sit about as tall as the red truck, just without having a body lift. That's the goal. Sorry if the wind's wrecking y'all. This does have the full lift on the rear, so it sits leveled, I guess you could say. Larry's got drop shackles, or no blocks, excuse me. Drop shackles with block? I think it's no blocks and drop shackles. Can't remember. It'd been a minute. Dude, 2 10th gens on the channel. What am I doing? I'm just kidding. 10th gens are freaking awesome. I've been really talking bad about this red truck because it is a pile of junk, but it's officially now my pile of junk, and I am excited to tear into it and use all of its good parts and make Larry even better for, some good 10th gen content. Stoked, dude. I just hope everything is good on this lift. Get Larry sitting up tall. Y'all comment down below, though. Should we keep Larry's front bumper? I know we got the dent in the front. Should we keep this front end, or should we go to the newer front end? I think this looks freaking mean. This is like more bulged out. It's more pronounced. Yeah. This is gonna look good. We're gonna do that later. We're going for the lift first. It's pretty cool. 5.4, 4.6. Runs, doesn't currently run, but in the next video I'm about to pull the battery out and charge it because supposedly it runs. I haven't heard it even try to turn over yet because the battery's been so dead and didn't have any way of charging it when I bought it, but I'm feeling hopeful. Kinda. We're gonna see. We're gonna try to get it to crank because it's straight pipe with some little Flowmaster. It should be stupid loud, even if it does supposedly have a bad head gasket. I just want to freaking rip around with it, dude. Just freaking abuse it. Yes, I know you can't really abuse anything because you need to just copy and whistle and diesel, but I think it'd be fun to just rip her till she just dies. It does have some pretty cool lights behind the grill, which I do like the honeycomb. Notice the different, more generic honeycomb Ford rather than like the diamonds. I don't know which one I kind of like better. There's the crack I've been telling y'all about that just popped up in Larry. The crap. It's this plastic just obviously hadn't aged like the paint. The grill, this has happened like within the last month. This crack, it's time. It's just letting go. Might steal the windshield wipers off of it. I know I need to paint mine. But yeah, dude, so let me show y'all just so you can see underneath. So this is your rough country, 3.5 inch, pretty much completely flat. Then that's your Fab Tech. So you got the drop bracket like you typically see on 4-wheel drive trucks. The drop bracket where the A-arms connect to, rather than them being connected up there. So we're gonna drop them down. Then we will be swapping over we're swapping over. That's not the point of this video. That's the next video. I'm gonna quit rambling. I just wanted to get the two trucks together one time as they sat. So when all is done, we can have a finished product of what they ended up being. So there they are. 97 and 2002. Larry and whatever your name is. Big difference in height. I'm stoked. Larry's, I don't know, I love this stuffed look, but also I'm ready for Larry to be big so I can put a nice size wheel and tire on it. So anyways, hopefully you did enjoy this quick video. Y'all comment down below. Let me know. I'll see y'all in the next one.